Today we will replace the front brakes on this Lexus IS300. The first thing that you have to do, you have to pull the emergency brakes on. Next step, you have to jack your vehicle up. Just position the jack stand. Underneath your vehicle. And jack it up. Next step, using the impulse gun, remove the front tire. Just in case, position the second jack stand. One over there, and remove the tire using the impulse gun. If you cannot remove it, spray it a little bit with B40, then try again. The next step, inspect the caliper. Check what kind of sockets do you need to use with your ratchet, which size. It's 14mm socket, you need to use it. Try to use large ratchet, it will help you to remove it a lot easier. It's two bolts which are holding. It's on place. Two bolts. This bolt and this bolt. You have to remove two of them using 14mm socket. The first bolt I removed just right away. While removing the second one, when I was moving counterclockwise, it started spinning. That's why I block it with the key to get it loose. After you remove two of them, you can remove the caliper pistons. It's a dual piston. You need to compress both of them. And remember how this metal slide was. That was in this position. Proceed to removing the old brake pads. Those two detachable pieces of metal goes into those two holes, here and here. This is the way how they stay in. Just remember it. So to remove it, like this, and then on the other side, like this, like that, and like that. Then remove the old brake pads. How you removing them? Just sliding them out. The first one. By the way, the thread here is still good. Compare it to the new one. Even though they look like almost new, the new one have a lot more thread. It's approximately 40% of the thread left. That's why I will replace them. So when both of them are removed, the next step, you have to compress the dual piston pack using the C-clamp. We will use a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston. You have to remove the master brake cylinder cap to release the pressure in the brake system. This is the master brake cylinder. Simply twist the cap of the master brake cylinder. compressing them just from a side. I cannot like directly access, but as you can see I compress them little by little from the side. Sometimes it's hard to find the proper distance, but as you can see I always found it, even on the second piston. Little by little compressing him in.